Hi everyone, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon, this is Chappy. Today I'll take you through a quick 10-minute flow to help out with that tight low back and those tight hips. If you like yoga videos, please do me a solid, like the video and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week and you can check out our website at DreamSpreeStudio.com. Let's go ahead and get started. Come down to your mat, settle into a comfortable seat and close your eyes. Begin to focus on your breathing, doing a quick scan of the body, see how it feels today, noticing any tensions. And if you'd like to set an intention for your practice, something to bring your mind back to, now's a good time. On your next inhale, float your eyes open and slide the left hand over towards the left side of the mat. And just sink down, just slide over in a diagonal, getting a good stretch in the side of the back. Just breathing space into that low back. On your next inhale, come back up and slide the right arm over to the right side. Just sink down in a diagonal, stretching the other side of the back. If you'd like, you can close your eyes, just continue to breathe. Gently rise back up to center and bring the arms out into a T on an inhale. Exhale, twist over to the right side, looking behind you over the right shoulder. Inhale back to center and exhale over to the left side, looking behind you over the left shoulder. Come back to center and float the arms down. You're going to come over into your tabletop position. Make sure that your shoulders are over your wrists. Inhale the stomach down. Exhale up, cat-cow stretch. And just continue to flow with your own breath, with your inhales and exhales. Let's meet back in a neutral spine and extend the right leg behind you. And plant the right toes down and use your hands shift back towards the right foot, getting a nice stretch in the calf. On an inhale, pick the right foot back up and shift your weight forward and cross the foot over the left leg. Look behind you over your left shoulder, getting a good stretch in the side. Pick the foot back up and put it down. Now we're going to use the left side. Pick up the left leg, shift back, getting a good calf stretch on that side. Keep breathing. Bring your mind back to your breath and your intention. Shift the weight back forward, pick up the foot, cross it over, and look over your right shoulder at it. Getting a good stretch in the left side of the body. Pick the foot back up and come back to center. Come up on your knees. And place the hands in the low back for support and arch back for a gentle back bend. Releasing the neck, but not too far. Do not strain. Come back up. Option to do that again, or reach back, catch your heels, and come into camel pose. Whatever option you choose, be sure to activate your quads. Breathe into the position. When you're ready, place the hands on the low back, come back up. And we'll meet back in tabletop position. From tabletop, be sure and spread the legs wide, shift the butt back towards the heels, and take child's pose. Bringing your forehead down to the mat. Bring your mind back to the intention you set and your breath. On an inhale, come back up into tabletop position. and come down into a seat. Bring the left foot in to the right thigh. Extend the right leg out. Shift the hips forward towards the right leg. Inhale, arms overhead, and exhale down, forward fold. Drawing the navel in towards the spine, extending towards the foot. Breathing space into the low back and the back of the leg. On an inhale, crawl back up gently. And we're going to switch sides, so extend the left foot out, bring the right foot into the thigh, square your hips, and inhale the arms up, exhale down, forward fold. Just breathe, letting go of any remaining tension. On an inhale, come back up. And come down to the side of the mat with your knees bent and gently lie all the way down. Straighten the legs out in front of you and then bend the left knee. Bring it up towards your chest. Just hug it in. And bring the right hand across, left arm out to the side, and just pull the left knee over towards the right side. Gaze out over the left shoulder. Breathe into the twist. On an inhale, bring everything back to center. Give the knee another squeeze because you love yourself, and put it back down. Now pick up the right knee, hug it in towards your chest. Now bring the right arm out to the side and bring the right knee across with the left hand over to the left side of the body, gazing out over the right shoulder. On an inhale, bring it back to center, give the knee a big squeeze, and put it down to the sides. Now pick up both feet for reclined butterfly. Just bring the soles of the feet in together, grab them with your hands. Make sure and keep the low back down into the mat. This should help press the low back down into the mat. Heels towards your butt, just as close as you can get them. And just breathe and relax here, hoping to release any tension you may have in the hips and the spine. I'll go ahead and release the feet. Bring the knees in together. Lift the feet back up for happy baby. Just grab the feet and you can rock them side to side if you'd like a happy baby. Giving the back a good massage. Bring the knees back in together. Reach up and give yourself a big hug because you did awesome today. And release into Shavasana. Just let it all go. Let the arms flop out to the sides, the feet flop out to the sides with no effort at all. Feel yourself begin to relax from the top of your head, in between your eyes. Relax your jaw, your throat, all across the chest. Feel a wave of relaxation crawling all the way down your body, your abdomen, your hips, thighs, all the way down to your feet and toes. Feel how you're heavy against the ground, how you're supported by gravity, and you're safe here. On your next inhale, you can start making some small movements with the fingers and toes, maybe some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Begin to deepen your breathing. Reach out long for a big stretch and roll over to one side in the fetal position. Pause here for a moment, and when you're ready, press yourself back up into your easy seat. Bring the hands to your knees and close your eyes one more time. Do a quick scan of the body. See how it feels differently than when you began your practice. And thank yourself for coming to the mat today to do something good for you. And bring your hands to heart center in prayer. Open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'll see you guys next time.